By the early 1980s, the environment shifts. Western economies grow more energy efficient. New supplies come online in places like the North Sea and Alaska. The oil market becomes less predictable. The price starts to wobble. And there's another pressure that's often ignored in popular retellings: Soviet agriculture. The USSR has extraordinary farmland, especially in places like Ukraine. Yet the collective farm system produces stunning inefficiency. Enormous amounts of food are lost before reaching consumers. The state repeatedly finds itself forced to import grain in huge quantities. Here's the trap: grain imports require hard currency. The ruble can't buy American wheat or European equipment. The USSR needs dollars, marks, or gold. So the cycle deepens. Export oil for hard currency, then spend that hard currency to purchase food and industrial inputs. It works until it doesn't. Now, the timeline tightens. In 1985, Mikhail Gorbachev takes power. He sees stagnation and launches reforms, perestroika, hoping to modernize industry and revive growth. But modernization requires funding. He looks at the budget and assumes energy revenue will carry the load. Then comes the shock. In the mid-1980s, Saudi policy shifts toward higher production. The market floods. Prices tumble. What was expensive oil becomes cheap oil, and a budget designed for high prices suddenly faces a crater. For the Soviet system, this is not a minor downturn. It's an income collapse colliding with fixed obligations. Military spending remains massive. The Afghanistan war continues draining resources. Allies still expect support. Grain imports still need payment. And the consumer economy is already brittle. Gorbachev has choices, and none are painless. Cut the military, and you fight the security establishment. Cut subsidies, and you risk unrest. Or borrow, and you delay the crash. So the borrowing begins. Western banks lend heavily. On paper, it seems safe. This is a nuclear superpower, with assets, territory, and the appearance of permanence. But much of this money isn't used to create productive capacity that will pay itself back. It's used to keep the system breathing. Buy food, buy consumer goods, keep shelves from turning into political disasters.